step onto the sandy shores, where the rhythm of life takes on a whole new meaning. At the beach, time dances to its own tune, effortlessly flowing from one mood to the next. Here, we embrace the ebb and flow of the currents, chart our course by the whimsical tides, and bask in the warm embrace of the sun. In this carefree paradise, minutes and hours become mere whispers in the wind. Every passing moment brings a new experience, a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Whether you're building sandcastles with loved ones, diving into the crystal-clear waves, or simply lounging under the shade of a palm tree, the beach offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. No deadlines, no obligations, just the pure bliss of being present in the here and now. Time stretches out before us, inviting us to savor each passing moment. The salty breeze caresses our skin, carrying with it a sense of tranquility that can only be found at the water's edge. Here, we become one with nature, attuned to the gentle rhythm of the waves crashing against the shore. We find solace in the vastness of the ocean, its vast expanse reminding us of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. As the sun paints the sky with vibrant hues, we are reminded of the beauty that surrounds us, igniting a sense of awe and wonder within our souls. At the beach, worries melt away like sand between our toes. We leave behind the stress of our daily lives and immerse ourselves in the simplicity of the moment. It's a place where laughter echoes across the shoreline, where friendships are forged, and memories are etched into the very fabric of our being. So, let the beach be your guide, your sanctuary of serenity. Embrace the freedom it offers, as you surrender to the currents, plan your adventures by the tides, and follow the path illuminated by the sun. For at the beach, life is different, it's a place where time stands still, and the magic of the moment takes center stage.